Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Bioclean detergent is probably one of the most effective and eco-friendly laundry solutions available today, designed to tackle tough stains while being gentle on your fabrics and the environment. If you're tired of harsh chemicals and ineffective cleaning, this plant-based formula offers a powerful yet biodegradable alternative that leaves your clothes smelling fresh and looking vibrant, making it a standout choice for conscious consumers seeking a superior clean without compromise. Number 5. Biokleen Natural Sport Laundry Detergent. Introducing a powerful, natural laundry detergent designed for your active lifestyle. It tackles tough odors, sweat, and stains effectively. Our 3x concentrated formula means you get more washes per bottle. A little goes a long way to keep your sports gear fresh. Harnessing the power of a bioactive formula, it works deep into fabrics. This ensures a thorough clean every time. Say goodbye to lingering smells and stubborn marks. It's specifically formulated to combat the toughest challenges from sports and activity. Enjoy the invigorating scent of lavender and eucalyptus with every wash. It leaves your clothes smelling naturally fresh and clean. With 300 loads in one bottle, it provides exceptional value. Keep your activewear ready for your next adventure. What we like. This one is a powerhouse for active lifestyles. Its bioactive formula is designed to tackle tough odors, sweat, and stains effectively. If you're an athlete or have a very active family, you should consider this for its superior cleaning power. What people say. The concentrated formula really delivers on its promise and has saved us both time and money. Our clothes come out consistently clean and fresh, even with active kids and busy schedules. It leaves laundry smelling great without being overpowering, no heavy perfumes or lingering artificial fragrance. Number 4. Biokleen Natural Laundry Detergent Liquid. Introducing Biokleen Natural Laundry Detergent Liquid, a powerful cleaner derived from plants. It's tough on stains but gentle on fabrics. Our eco-friendly formula is designed with the environment in mind. It's a concentrated solution that provides 300 loads of cleaning power. This detergent is safe for use around kids and pets. You can trust it to keep your loved ones protected. We believe in purity. That's why our product contains no artificial colors or preservatives. Just natural, effective cleaning. Experience the best of both worlds with this detergent. It's gentle on your clothes and skin, yet incredibly effective at removing dirt and grime. A little goes a long way with this concentrated formula. Get more washes from a single bottle, saving you money and reducing waste. What we like. This option is perfect for families with sensitive skin or young children. It's a gentle yet effective plant-based formula that is free from artificial colors and preservatives. If you prioritize a safe and natural clean for your loved ones, this is the one to choose. What people say. The detergent has a good scent and leaves clothes feeling soft. It effectively removes tough stains, even after multiple washes. The formula is gentle on fabrics, preventing shrinkage and color fading. Number 3. Biokleen Natural Laundry Detergent. Introducing Biokleen Natural Laundry Detergent, your new go-to for a powerful yet gentle clean. Experience the difference of a plant-based formula that's kind to your fabrics and the environment. This concentrated liquid detergent is designed for 128 loads, making it an economical and eco-conscious choice. It effectively tackles dirt and grime without harsh chemicals. Crafted with plant-based ingredients, it's free from artificial fragrances and preservatives. Enjoy a naturally fresh scent derived from citrus essence. Rest assured, our formula is non-toxic and safe for your entire family. It provides a thorough clean while maintaining the integrity of your clothes. The concentrated nature of this liquid means a little goes a long way. Get more washes from a single bottle, saving you money and reducing waste. Let the refreshing citrus essence uplift your senses with every wash. It leaves your laundry smelling naturally clean and revitalized. What we like. Enjoy a refreshing scent with this eco-friendly choice. Its plant-based ingredients and natural citrus essence provide a clean that's both effective and invigorating. If you prefer a detergent that leaves clothes smelling fresh without artificial fragrances, this is an excellent pick. What people say. Biokleen cleans not only as well, but even better than Tide. Normal food stains and scents lift out better with the Biokleen, too, and whereas Tide had a very pronounced odor that lingered for a long time, I find that the Biokleen citrus smell is light and refreshing out of the washer but then fades, leaving your clothes just smelling clean. This laundry liquid cleans incredibly well in a he machine, even on clothes caked in dry mud and plant stains. Number 2. Biokleen Natural Cold Water Laundry Detergent. Introducing Biokleen Natural Cold Water Laundry Detergent. It's a powerful, plant-based formula designed to tackle tough stains effectively. This concentrated liquid detergent is eco-friendly and non-toxic. You can achieve a brilliant clean without harsh chemicals. Enjoy the pure scent of clean. Our detergent is free from artificial fragrances and preservatives, making it a healthier choice for your family. A little goes a long way with this concentrated formula. One bottle provides up to 128 loads of laundry, offering great value. It works exceptionally well in cold water, saving you energy and protecting your fabrics. Get a deep clean with every wash. Choose Biokleen for a naturally clean home. Experience the power of plant-based ingredients for all your laundry needs. What we like? Save energy and protect your clothes with this cold water formula. It's designed to work effectively even in lower temperatures, making it an eco-conscious and gentle option. If you're looking to reduce your environmental impact and care for delicate fabrics, this is a great choice. What people say. The detergent has a good scent and leaves clothes feeling soft. It effectively removes stains and brightens whites. A little goes a long way, making it an economical choice. Number 1. Biokleen Natural Laundry Detergent. Introducing Biokleen Natural Laundry Detergent, your solution for a cleaner, greener wash. Experience powerful cleaning without harsh chemicals. Harnessing the power of plants, this detergent offers an eco-friendly way to tackle your laundry. It's a non-toxic choice for your family and the planet. Get more washes with less product. This concentrated formula provides 128 loads, making it an economical and effective choice. Enjoy the clean scent of naturally fresh clothes. It's free from artificial fragrances and preservatives, ensuring a pure clean every time. This liquid detergent is designed to be safe for your home and gentle on fabrics. It's a conscious choice for a healthier lifestyle. With 64 fluid ounces, you have plenty of this effective, eco-friendly detergent on hand. It's the natural way to keep your laundry fresh and clean. What we like? This is a versatile and reliable option for everyday use. Its concentrated, plant-based formula is safe for both your clothes and the environment, and it's designed for high-efficiency machines. If you need a dependable, non-toxic detergent for regular laundry loads, this is a solid contender. What people say. It works well. One bottle lasts me for months since you're only using about a tablespoon per load. I like that it's concentrated and therefore less plastic waste. This stuff fully removed the odors and it uses such a small amount I think it might be roughly 1 or 2 tablespoons of liquid. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.